Hi, this is Jacob from the Azure portal. Today I would like to show you how you can find things on the new Azure portal. So the first thing, if you want to find something, is the search bar in the nav bar here. So let's say I want to find my new created web app called IP Heatmap. I'll type it here. It'll filter out the list very quickly. So here there's my IP Heatmap web app, and here's the application insight service for this particular web app. I'll click enter here, and this is my web app. And if I would like to see some particular property of IP Heatmap, here on the settings blade, there's a filter. And this filter is pretty smart. So for example, if I'd like to see how can I deploy with GitHub, I can just type GitHub here, and it will filter out deployment source, which doesn't have GitHub in the name. But if I go further, this will take me to my deployment. And here, actually, I've already configured my GitHub deployment, so there will be nothing interesting here. You can see I've actually deployed this with GitHub, but if I disconnect here, it will guide me how I can create my deployment from GitHub. Another way to access your resources, if you're, for example, not sure the name, you can go to all the resources, which will display the list, which you can browse through and find what you're looking for, but you're not sure the name. If you know what type of resources you created, you can also go to categories. For example, services has web apps and mobile services grouped together. Very useful thing, the group of resources is called recent, which displays you the most recently accessed resources. So you can see IP Heatmap was accessed 1 minute ago, 6 minutes ago I accessed .NET Conf PL, and here are usually the resources you are interested in. Another thing is you can pin it to your dashboard, and actually, I have already pinned my most recently accessed resources. Actually, here they are called all resources because they are ordered by most recently accessed one, and I can access them directly from the dashboard, so I don't even have to click it. I can move it further, but I want to see my charts here. If you have any questions or suggestions about the Azure portal, please tweet me at Jacob Jedrzejek or email me. You can find my email at my blog, jg09.net.